everyone, and welcome back to NB English Studio, the place where learning English feels simple, fun, and natural. I'm Hira.
Hello, Hira, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It's a beautiful day to practice English together.
It really is, Alex. The sun is shining, and I'm feeling full of energy today. How about you?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I'm full of energy too. I have a feeling today is going to be an excellent day.
Ooh, you used a future form just now. Going to be.
Did I? It just came out.
Perfect! Because today we are actually talking about the future tense. How to talk about your plans and decisions naturally in English.
The future. Sounds exciting. Are we talking about flying cars and robots?
Not quite that kind of future, Alex. More like your weekend plans, your upcoming events, and everyday future situations.
Oh, real life future. That's important.
But before we jump in, we have a small request. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to NB English Studio and hit the like button.
It really helps our channel grow and lets us help more learners around the world. And hey, share this video with a friend who wants to practice with you. Learning with a friend is always better.
All right, Alex, ready to talk about the future?
Absolutely.
There are two very common and very useful ways to talk about the future: will and going to.
Ah, yes, I think I know these.
Let's start with going to. We use going to for plans, things you decided before now. For example, Alex, do you have any plans this weekend?
Yes. On Saturday, I'm going to play tennis with my brother.
Perfect! You decided this earlier, so going to is correct.
So if it's something I already planned, I should say, I'm going to.
Exactly.
Like, I'm going to visit my parents. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. I'm going to buy new shoes.
All perfect examples. Now, let's talk about will. We use will for decisions we make right now in the moment.
Like when the phone rings?
Yes. For example, ring ring. Oh, I'll answer it. You didn't plan it earlier. You decided now.
And will is also for promises, right?
Exactly. I'll call you later. I'll help you. I'll bring the snacks.
Oh, and sometimes I hear people saying gonna.
Yes. In spoken English, going to often becomes gonna. Like, I'm going to go home turns into I'm gonna go home.
Should I use gonna in a formal email?
Never. Only use it in speaking with friends or in casual writing. Let's practice. Alex, tell me your dream vacation using going to.
Next summer, I'm going to travel to Italy. I'm going to eat lots of pasta, and I'm going to visit Rome.
Beautiful plan. And the grammar is perfect.
Thank you. What about you, Hira?
I'm going to stay home and relax. I'm going to read books and sleep a lot.
That sounds peaceful.
Now imagine we're in Italy at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "What would you like?"
I decide right now. I'll have the spaghetti.
Correct, because you choose in the moment. To talk about the future clearly, we also use time markers. Tomorrow, next week, next year, tonight, in 10 minutes, soon.
So I can say, I'm going to the gym next week.
Perfect. Here's an advanced tip. We sometimes use the present continuous for fixed plans. I'm meeting my friend at 5. I'm flying to Dubai on Friday.
Oh, those sound very sure, like they're officially scheduled.
Exactly. Hira, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I'm going to write a book about learning English.
Wow! I will buy the first copy.
That's a nice promise. And you used will.
Talking about the future is fun. It makes me look forward to things.
Yes. So, remember, going to equals past decision, plan.
Will equals quick decision or promise.
And present continuous equals fixed arrangement.
Now, we want to hear your plans. Tell us in the comments. What are you going to do this weekend?
Use the sentence, I am going to.
We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to NB English Studio so you don't miss our next episode.
Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.